Today I want to show you 50 English expressions that people actually use every day. These are simple, natural, and very powerful. If you start using them, your English will sound more real immediately. Take it slow, listen, and repeat if you can. Let's start. 1. I'm just kidding. You say this when you're joking. Example, relax, I'm just kidding. I didn't really forget your birthday. 2. What's going on? You're asking what's happening. Example, hey, you look upset. What's going on? 3. It's up to you. You let the other person decide. Example, we can stay home or go out. It's up to you. 4. I'm not sure. You don't know. Example, I'm not sure if he's coming tonight. 5. Give me a second. You need a little time. Example, give me a second. I'm almost done. 6. That makes sense. Now you understand. Example, oh, that makes sense now. 7. No worries. It means it's okay. Example, sorry I'm late. No worries. 8. I'll get back to you. You'll respond later. Example, I'm busy right now. I'll get back to you later. 9. That's a good point. You agree with someone's idea. Example, that's a good point. I didn't think about that. 10. I'm running late. You're behind schedule. Example, I'm running late. I'll be there soon. 11. Let me know. Tell me when you have an answer. Example, let me know when you arrive. 12. I don't mind. You're okay with anything. Example, do you want tea or coffee? I don't mind. 13. Sounds good. You agree. Example, let's meet at 6. Sounds good. 14. I'm on my way. You're coming now. Example, I'm on my way. See you soon. 15. Take your time. No rush. Example, take your time. I'll wait. 16. I totally agree. Strong agreement. Example, I totally agree with you. 17. That's interesting. You show interest. Example, that's interesting. Tell me more. 18. I see what you mean. You understand someone's idea. Example, I see what you mean now. 19. It depends. There's no simple answer. Example, are you free tomorrow? It depends. 20. Let's call it a day. Stop working for today. Example, we did enough. Let's call it a day. That's it for today. Don't try to learn all 50 at once. Just pick a few, use them in real life, and come back to the rest later. The more you use them, the more natural you'll sound. See you next time. 21. I get it. You understand. Example, oh, I get it now. You were busy. 22. That's fine. It's okay, no problem. Example, you can't come? That's fine. 23. I guess so. You agree, but not strongly. Example, do you think he's right? I guess so. 24. Not really. A soft way to say no. Example, did you like the movie? Not really. 25. Go ahead. You're giving permission. Example, can I sit here? Yeah, go ahead. 26. I'll pass. You politely say no. Example, do you want some coffee? I'll pass, thanks. 27. That's enough. You want something to stop. Example, all right, that's enough. Let's move on. 28. Come on. You encourage or show disbelief. Example, come on, you can do better than that. 29. Hold on. Wait a moment. Example, hold on, I'm coming. 30. I doubt it. You don't believe something. Example, he said he'll finish today. I doubt it. 31. Fair enough. You accept someone's opinion. Example, I don't want to go out tonight. Fair enough. 32. That works. You agree with a plan. Example, let's meet at 5 instead. Yeah, that works. 33. I'm good. You don't need anything. Example, do you need help? No, I'm good. 34. My bad. You admit a small mistake. Example, oh my bad. I forgot to call you. 35. No way. You show surprise or disbelief. Example, you won the lottery? No way. 36. For sure. Strong, yes. Example, are you coming tonight? For sure. 37. I'm in. You agree to join. Example, we're going on a trip this weekend. I'm in. 38. Count me out. You don't want to join. Example, we're going hiking early morning. Count me out. 39. It's not a big deal. Something is not important. Example, sorry I broke it. It's not a big deal. 40. I appreciate it. You show gratitude. Example, thanks for helping me. I appreciate it. 41. I'm serious. You are not joking. Example, I'm serious. You should try it. 42. That's true. You agree something is correct. Example, this place is always busy. Yeah, that's true. 43. I'm not into it. You don't like something. Example, do you like horror movies? I'm not into it. 44. It doesn't matter. It's not important. Example, which one should we pick? It doesn't matter. 45. You never know. Anything can happen. Example, maybe he'll show up. Yeah, you never know. 46. I'm just saying. You're giving your opinion. Example, I'm just saying. We should be careful. 47. Let's see. You will decide later. Example, are we going out tonight? Let's see. 48. I can't wait. You're very excited. Example, I can't wait to see you. 49. It's worth it. Something is valuable or useful. Example, it's expensive, but it's worth it. 50. I'll think about it. You're not deciding now. Example, do you want to join us? I'll think about it. Take a breath. That was a lot. Now you have 50 real English expressions. Don't rush. Go back, listen again, and start using a few every day. That's how your English starts to sound natural, step by step. All right, I'll see you in the next lesson.